bitch look like Tyler Perry.
What's good, T-Money fam? You already know what type of video this is about to be. About like my 10th one already. I'm so happy that I have the opportunity to do this often. But before we start this video today, I hope y'all feeling good, because I'm feeling good. Because what happened? I'm gonna wait until when y'all say it in the comments. Right. T-Money fam, we have hit 1K subs. We a little bit over 1K subs. I'm so happy, so proud. Like, I know this is something very small, but it's something very big, because I've been trying to do YouTube for like since 8th grade, and I'm a sophomore about to be a junior in college, and I'm just not hitting 1K. But that don't even matter, because it's up from now on. Bangers gonna be dropped back to back to back to back to back to back. I got a lot of content, a lot of clothing content to make for y'all, some partnerships to do. It's gonna be a lot going on since I hit 1K. I'm gonna be on the up from now on. I don't care. It's about to be the summer. I have more time to do whatever I want to do. But like I say, every time I do a shoot video, I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. I'm not gonna talk y'all to death today. But before we start this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and hit the post notifications bell button so you can be notified every time I post a brand new YouTube video. It's maybe like every 2 weeks or like once a month. Once a month I do post. But let's get into the video. Yes, today these shoes are from goodkicks.ru. The Instagram, the discount, and the website will all be in the description below. Just look down below and it will be there. But yes, these are the Jordan 11 emerald greens. I'm not emerald greens. Just black emerald on Jordan 11s. This shoe is old. I remember me wanting this shoe in 8th grade, I think. This is like kind of old, but they sent me this shoe. I'm gonna still rock it because 11s is my favorite Jordan besides 4s. But this is the box, sleek, regular box. Almost look like a grade school box. I don't know what they come in this, but open it. They got the 23 wrapping. I don't know if I can see. And boom, that's the shoe. Let's just get into the shoe real quick. We got the, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it on the camera. It's like changing colors. Y'all see that? Like, come on. This shoe look real long on camera, but it's not that long, y'all. It's not that long. But yeah, this is the shoe. I really like how it like changes colors. The quality feels really good. It's very sturdy. If I was to bring it up next to my other shoe, my other 11, my cherry ones, yeah, good quality. It's sturdy as heck. The bottom, this is the bottom, y'all. It's like it also changes colors too. It's like a purple blue at the bottom. It's real nice, as you can see. Everything is hip on these, y'all. This shoe, it don't move. This shoe, when I tell y'all there's a whole bunch of other shoes on this website that I think y'all should cop like now, like don't run, cop it right now, especially using my discount, Tyler 15. I believe that's what it is. If it's not, it will be somewhere on the screen. But I believe it's Tyler 15. Make sure y'all use my code if y'all want to buy another shoe. There's racks of shoes on there, from Jordans, from Yeezys, from Balenciagas, from Dior's, from a whole bunch of shoes that y'all can get. This is just one of the shoes that I got today. It's a nice little fun shoe. Sometimes I don't like to go above and beyond, or I like to get old shoes because it's like a remembrance of like the past, you feel me? But this is the shoe, the back, like I said, it's good quality, like everything's good. Got the 23 on it. Really good quality shoe. I love how it changes colors. I probably will be taking pictures with this shoe soon. Just wait and see. I say that with a lot of my shoes, but like I have it fit on, but I just don't take pictures with them. But sooner or later, I will be making like content days, so I will make sure I actually take pictures with these shoes. But I'm telling you, I'm wearing them all the time. I was just wearing my 4s the other day. Anyways, yeah, these are both of the shoes put together. I already put this shoe on, that's why it looks different, and this one's like, yeah. But it comes with a little gray thingy in the inside. I'm not gray, brown thingy in the inside. Like I said, overall, this is just a really good shoe. Yeah, the quality is top tier. Feel is amazing. Like I said, I'm about to rock these shoes. I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. There's not really much I can keep saying, but make sure y'all go buy from my friends, goodkicks.ru. Use code Tyler15 for $15 off your next order. I'm about to cop a whole bunch of more shoes from this website. It's a lot. But yeah, y'all, love y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. The next video will be a banger and things like that. We'll cop the shoe, drop the shoe. Don't be scared and buy it. What do I always say? Balling on a budget. You gotta ball on a budget, right? Anyways, T Money loves you. I'm out.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary.